we're going to put a veneered stone here, from here down to the ground. And since we're going all the way to the ground, we're worried about frost heave, popping the bottom ones off, because I've heard that's a real problem. So we're going to eliminate that by changing the frost line at the house. We went below where the stone is going to start, and we put a 45-degree angle here. We put styrofoam here, and then we're covering it with black plastic. Then we'll put washed stone on top of that. Any water that comes down here, which there should be anyways, because we're going to have gutters and taking it away from the house, but any water that makes it here is going to wash away from the house. There'll be no water from here to here next to the foundation. If there's no water, there's no frost heave. And once we cover this up with washed stone, then he'll put his veneered stone here, and then we'll put a weed barrier down and some decorative stone. So our purpose is just to change the frost line. There should be no frost heave here, no veneers popping off. It's just something we come up with. I think it works.